Well, the rain's gone, the ice has gone, it's not as cold today as it has been. Pond's still way down at about 4.5. Fish obviously still not eating. Water quality is okay. Fish all up the top end where it's deeper. Let's see if we can get a view from this area. There we go. Fish are now becoming a bit more livelier. One thing I will be doing about the middle of February, we'll be dosing the pond for algae and string algae. Now I don't use the traditional stuff as most people use for algae. I use my own stuff, which works perfectly well, and I will be doing that, well, I'll be showing you that in my next video. It's something you can buy in 5-litre containers. It's very cheap, it lasts a long time, and it does kill all the algae off in the pond and doesn't leave a mess. Water does not even discolour. It's a simple thing to put in. You can do it in 5 minutes. It also is good for killing all the bad parasites in the pond. The one thing to remember is, though, if you've got plants in your pond, you can't use it because it will kill your plants the same as it would kill the algae. It's nice to see the fish again after all these months. There's no signs of any sickness in them. No signs of anything at all on the bodies. This stuff also that I put into the pond cures the problem of the cotton wool that you might get on your fish, as most people call it, and it also solves the problem of the white bumps and spots that the fish get. They won't get it if you use this stuff. So look out for my next video, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.